Okay, so here we are going to start with our next program, that is to find sum of squares of first 100 natural numbers. This is our next Python program, that is this is our ninth Python program. Am I correct? Yes. So here we are going to find out the sum of squares of first 100 natural numbers. That means we have to find out the squares of numbers right from 1 to 100. That is from 1 to 101. In between that 101, all that numbers squares we have to find out using this Python program. So let us start with it. Okay. Yeah, we are going to start our program. So first we have to write the command as total 0. Then we have to initiate a for loop. The loop is used to repeat the process. Okay, for a repetitive process we will be using the for loop. So for number in range, here we are going to give a range of numbers. That is how many numbers we are going to use to find out the squares. For which numbers and all we are going to find the square value. Okay, so for number in range is 1 to 101. This is the range of value that we are going to provide. Then next step, we have to give the formula like square is equal to number into double star mention the exponent value, square value. Okay, so number square 2, number exponent 2. This is a formula that we are going to use here. Then let us give the formula, that is to get the result we have to initiate a formula, that is total plus, that is equal to square. So we have to get the total as plus equal square. Right, now let us give print statement, print, let us give in capital. Okay, sum of, we have to give the print statement as it is sum of squares of natural number. Let us give as natural numbers. Okay, so sum of squares of natural numbers, let us give it as sum of squares of numbers from 1 to 100 is 1 to 100 is 1 to 100 is total. We will be getting the total as a sum of squares of natural numbers from 1 to 100 is. This is the thing that we are going to find out. So this is also a small program. The first step is we have to, that is total is equal to 0 for number in range. We have to give the number in range, that is 1 to 101, right? Square is equal to number exponent 2. We have to find out the squares of this number. Numbers is right from 1 to 101. So number, that is 1 exponent 2, it will be coming 2 exponent 2, like that right from 1 to 101 we will be getting the value. Then square is equal to number, that is number, that equation we have used, and total is equal to all the square value we should add, because here we need to get the sum, right? So plus equal to square, we have to add the total plus equal to square. Clear? And the print statement we have used. So let us run. Before run, we have to save this program. So let me save in squares. Let me give the square. File name is square. So here we have got the sum of square of natural numbers from 1 to 100 is 338350, that is 3,38,350. This is the sum of square of the numbers right from 1 to 100. Clear? It's an easy program. Again here first we have given the value as 101. Not only for 101, that is right from 1 to 101, we can find out the square value of 1 to 11. Let us change it like this and let us try to run the program. Here see, we have to save. So we will be getting sum of squares of natural numbers from 1 to 100 is 385. Okay, based upon the value that we are providing, we will be getting the output. Okay, and here one more thing that we can do is, let us add one more step. Okay, total square we have given. Let us give a statement, that is print square. Okay, so what will be the output? Let us see what will be the output. Okay, for number is equal to range is 1 to 11. The number range right from 1 to 11, and square we have to find out, total also we have to need, and here we have given one more statement, that is print sq, that is square. So let us see what is happening here. See, the square value from 1 to 11. We have got square value right from 1 to 10. 1 square value of 2 is 4, square value of 3 is 16, like that from 1 to 10. Square value is displayed here. Okay, so with the help of one program we have find these much of things. But our question is to find out the square of natural numbers from 1 to 100. That is our question. So here 101. So here if we are printing print square, here also means from 1 to 100 all the square value will be here. So it will be a large amount of numbers will be there, right? So we are not providing these steps. So our question in our practical section, this question is to find out the squares of natural numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so let us do it once again. This is the actual one that we need. Okay, so sum of squares of natural number from 1 to 100 is 338350. Clear?